Uno. Hope you can't even see it. Dos. And tres.
There we go. If you guys didn't know about that. Yeah, now you know. And actually, as a little bonus, we have 6 extra packs of Scarlet and Violet base that we got from playing pre-release. Well, second pre-release weekend at our local shop. And these are just my packs. We played 2 events back to back, but Josie couldn't hold off, so she opened hers. She opened her 6 packs? So I saved mine for the video because, you know, love you guys.
You guys didn't miss much from my packs. It was just full art Spite Ops and then
I mean, it's cool.
A Koraidon EX. I think that's it.
I mean, honestly, it was so hard to resist the urge of actually not opening these on the spot. Especially the Scarlet and Violet packs, because once it's new, you just want to open it. Right? So there's that.
I'm sorry, can you open this?
Tins open.
That's just
and the magic of editing, I'm just gonna do just like that. Everything is back. Just gonna quickly show you what each of these look like up close. So these are already, in terms of like the abilities, these are already in previous sets. They just got some really cool artwork. So you got your Cruel Charge and Psy Laser here. I think this is the same one as the baby ones from Chilling Reign.
Yeah.
Strong Legs Charge.
That one's my favorite. It's so cute.
Zapdos. There you go.
This is an for me.
Yeah, it's a very
weird pose.
No, it's the art style of it actually. There you go, better focus. There you go. And I guess Josie, pick your packs and we'll just get going.
Actually, no. I was thinking, since this is from Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres, let's just see which bird gives us more gifts.
And like we mentioned in our last opening, hopefully I'm doing a better job here with the camera angles, because last video was really tough with the lighting. I saw it a little too late, but hopefully it's a little bit better this time around. Bidoof, Salandit, Purloin, Grubbin, Scrub, Double, Yan Mega. I mean, we're still missing a couple cards from the set, because again, we are trying to master set it. Just a couple things that we're missing, but we're just waiting until every product gets released before we end up buying singles, just so we don't end up pulling any doubles or anything like that. And for the most part, because the prices will settle eventually. So, oh nice, we don't have that one yet either. The Bea. Oops. Out. Kricketot, Shinx, Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Coughing, Nessa signed. Ooh, perfect. We don't have that yet. Nice. Perfect. So far, Articuno not doing so hot. Yeah. Ooh, Gudra, Bead. Ooh, I don't think we have the holo version of that. Perfect. You got anything good?
Nope.
Ooh. It's not looking good for the tins so far. Actually, we haven't opened tins in quite a while, actually. Oh, I think... Ooh. Got a saving grace here from Articuno on Last Pack Magic. Just slow roll this one here. Molga, Love Disc, Chatot, Yanma, Poniard. Ooh, we get Leafeon V-Star.
Still don't have that one. Gorgeous card. I love how they just Made it look like she's sitting in an apothecary or something.
Wow, gorgeous. Oh, perfect. We get this double hit. We get the textured energy. Actually, hold on. Let me get a quick close-up of that one too. These print lines are on a lot of these cards, but yeah, if you didn't know, you get textured energies from this set. So if you really wanted to play a max rarity deck, here you go. You're still getting used to the camera angle, aren't you?
I don't know why it's not focusing. No.
Go a little bit closer, because you're going too far.
How close do you want me to get?
Like that.
Ante? I don't think we have this.
Oh, I don't think we have the anti-hollow, yeah.
I'm gonna... Since we don't have it, I'm just gonna say it's a hit.
Okay. So I guess we're just gonna put that over there.
No, it's a hit. Put it here.
Oh, you're already cracking the...
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. Oh. I think we got... Ooh, we got something in this one too. Zapdos is showing up here. Scyther, Emolga, Yungoos, Cherubi, Execute, Swablu. Cute, we don't have that yet. Ooh, and Elisa's, we definitely don't have that one yet either. Perfect. Cool. When you're trying to master set something, this is amazing. Good feeling. Oh, you got something from there too? Maybe? Psych. No, you don't. That's it. I'll just leave these after. Last 2 packs. Right there. Let's get these guys sleeved up. Right there. Come closer.
It got the focus, but it lost.
There you go. Ooh, another Manaphy. Ooh, we don't have that Mewtwo yet as well. Perfect.
I don't think we do.
Nice. Okay, so I guess I'm just leaving while I have you stay on the camera angle, I guess. There you go. Last pack. Nothing. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not too shabby, but show's not done yet. Since I'm so generous, you get to open half.
I think best bird was Articuno though.
Yeah, Articuno was the best bird. So now, let's slow roll these in case people haven't seen them. But, you wanna do yours first?
You don't have to tell me twice.
Okay.
I love the silver border.
Border. You said border.
I'm past my bedtime.
Cario. Ooh. Cool. And if you guys didn't know, for some reason, I guess they changed the material that they're using for these packs. It's a lot more sturdy. So. Okay. This one. Sandile. Mareep. Silly Cobra. Yes, I didn't do the pack trick. Bisharp. Fortress. Rocky Helmet. Mabostiff. Curlia Reverse. And you get 2 reverses in each pack. And we got a Halucha. And the newer art for the energies. If you didn't know it was a basic energy, it's reassuring you that it is a basic energy, and that it's energy with an energy with energy. Okay. Anyway, it just wanted you to know.
Okay. Well, I did forget that it's a new set, so I will go slowly through this one. Through my excitement, I forgot, but either way, Mankey.
Squawkabilly.
Capsakid? I'm gonna go with Capsakid.
Alamamala. that one. Rocky Helmet. Mabostiff. Oinkalone. Palmy. By the way, pre-release format. This thing is so fun to play. Klefki. Ooh, that's a good card. Mischievous Lock. And ooh, beautiful. A Terrastal Gyarados EX. Is there and your energy? Actually, oh, these don't have. I think that's our first terrestrialized Pokemon that we've pulled. The Waterfall for 3, Water Energy and 100 damage, and Tyrannical Tail for 180 plus. So if your opponent's active Pokemon has any damage counters on it, this attack does 180 more. Big guy, 300 HP. Wow. Sick. And it is textured. I just couldn't see it through the camera.
Scatterbug.
Pre-release format. This thing is disgusting.
Drifloon. Sprigatito. Flittle. Vitality Band. Toxicity. Mousehold. So cute. Houndour.
God, the reverse is just so much better. And the Cloth.
Cloth.
I personally prefer the reverses on this. It's not just overpowering the text that's on the card. So it actually has a cool design. Next pack. We got Seviper. Citadel.
So cute. Gorgeous.
Magikarp.
Ooh, gorgeous artwork on this one too.
Magnemite.
Same pose.
You know, as we're just getting into our Scarlet and Violet set, Japan already has their next set. Oinkalone, Breloom, Kilowattrel, whoops, Bisharp, Reverse, ooh, Pokegear Reverse, Pokegear 3.0 Reverse, and a Professor's Research. Very nice. If you're like me who loves to have reverses or holos in their decks when they play, it's a great addition. Because sometimes max rarity is just too much. Having 4 gold cards, pretty nuts. Anyway, on to the next one. Last pack we got here. We got Riolu, Go-Goat, Scatterbug, Shuppet, Miriam, Spiritomb, Ultra Ball, Sandaconda, Reverse, Greavard, Reverse, and a Houndstone.
It evolved.
It evolved. So we didn't get to pull anything too crazy here, actually, but oh, actually, you forgot in your pre-release packs. Might as well just show them off here, or during your packs. We did get a Spidops, Katie, and a Koraidon EX. Yeah. Okay. Let me just show those off real quick. Okay, so we have Spidops EX. Ooh, it's too shiny with the sleeves on. Maybe I should take them out. So we have Katie. Beautiful cards. And I was hoping to get a Miraidon, but can't complain. These cards are so nice. And the thing that Josie hates, because Spidops gets an EX before Torterra even gets a V Max or anything. It's one of her favorite Pokemon. There you go. Well, as always, thanks for joining this. It's always a mess on the table, but it's always fun to open packs. But as always, follow us on Instagram at LightSwitchCo. Post a lot of content here. And like I mentioned last video, if we don't get to post it on a video, we do end up posting it here just to showcase our pulls of what we got. But once again, thanks for coming by, and catch you in the next one. See ya.